Hello everyone, everything good? Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to welcome you here. What is a refrigerant system failure in an air conditioner? A refrigerant system failure in an air conditioner refers to any problem that prevents the system from working properly and cooling the room. This can include a number of causes, such as refrigerant leaks. There may be leaks in the pipes, joints, or connections, resulting in low refrigerant levels. Compressor problems. The compressor is responsible for pumping refrigerant through the system. If it fails, the system will not be able to cool. Dirty air filters. Dirty filters can restrict airflow, causing the system to overload and reduce efficiency. Blocked condenser. The condenser is responsible for dissipating heat. If it is blocked, the system will not be able to cool properly. Electrical problems. Faulty electrical components such as relays, capacitors, and thermostats can cause the system to fail. These are just a few examples of failures that can occur in the refrigerant system of an air conditioner. If you are experiencing problems with your air conditioning, it is recommended that you call a specialized technician to diagnose and resolve the problem. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. See you later.